All right, my friend, this thing was, as you know, wasn't working. It was beat up pretty bad, man. If I can show you the lid, check out the lid. You see that black on there? It just smoked, man, really bad. And that part, not that part, but that section of the amplifier that caused all that smoke was this transformer two-pill section right here. Two-pill, 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 so a total of 8. Look down in there. I cleaned it all out, but it's really burnt down in there. See right here? But all the connections are good now. I got new, my finger's in the way. But you got new solder in there. Got a new 10 ohm on there, and 10 ohm here, 10 ohm there, and a 10 ohm there. Okay. You got new, let's see, I had to put a cap on here. That cap on the back side, that little yellow thing, that was blown. You had another one blown, or it was bad over here. I think it was this one. You had a bad splitter. I'm sorry, splitter. This splitter was really bad, and it was shorting out, so I made you a new one. You see that? And this wire is a lot thicker than this wire. It looks pretty similar, but it's actually thicker. I don't know if you can tell. You know what I mean? It's a little bit thicker. Anyway, it's good quality, and you got your 100 ohm back in there. And then also, you got a bad combiner, okay, on this side, which is on the output side. So you got your new one. No, I'm sorry, right here. So you see here, you got a new one. And I sprayed it with epoxy to get protect it even more. Okay, this wire again is thicker. It's a bigger combiner. It handle more power, won't heat as much. It doesn't even get hot right now. I keyed it, talked on it for about 5 minutes, checking things out, checking temps. This thing is solid. So it's a really good piece. You had a blown resistor here. I got a lot of, like I said, I got a lot of stuff, man. I got a blown resistor here. I take this out, put a new resistor in there. But that combiner was good. This one checks good. This one checks good. These are your bias, these little blue resistors right here. See, it's blown. These are your bias voltage right here. So that one. And then another one right here. And another one right there. And another one right there. Down in there, you can see it, little blue thing. So I got all those bias resistors squared away. Got new power leads. Before, you had really small wire. It was smaller. I don't know. I think it was 12 gauge, man. It was really ridiculous. Here it is. Here's the wire that was in there, right? So you can see it's thinner, right? This is a lot thicker. I think this is 12 gauge. Oh, there it is right there. Let's see. Let me do it for you. Under the magnifying glass here. Let's see here. 12 gauge, yep. 12 gauge right. Look right there. Oh, shit. Anyway. Oh, crap. I lost it. Where'd it go? Damn it, man. I just saw it. Oh, there it is right there. Right by the burn. Yep, right in there. If you zoom in, you'll see it says 12 gauge on there. Right. I can't do it. And right where my finger is right here, 12 gauge. Anyway, so you got 10 in there now. You got 10 gauge, and also you only had one ground right here. It's just the way they build them. But now you've got a ground on each two-pill section. All right, it all comes back. So you got this nice connector here. Okay, look at that. They're all they're same length, give or take, half an inch or so. You see that? Looks good, man. Get that part out of the way. So you're set up, man. This is solid. Got your fan lead coming in over here. Got a little ferrite bead on there to keep any interference from getting in there. All right, and it's grounded out with a resistor right here. Keep it off the ground, the board ground, right? Elevate the ground a little bit, and that will keep the fan from blowing up, getting any RF interference in there. Also, if you decide to, put 15 volts in here, or 14.5, these fans are rated at 12. I don't want to blow them up, so that'll protect you, and they still spin no problem, right? Obviously, you got new pills all up in here. So let's take a look at the fan section that I built for you. This thing is sweet. Let me put the lid back on real fast. This fan is really cool that I put on for you. Fans, excuse me. All right, let me flip it over. Check this shit out. All right. Got your 2 fans on there. They're centered on the pills. You got a 4-pill section here, 4-pill section here. This is where the relay is, so no need to worry about heat here. You want to cool it off on these sections. Got this nice band. Drilled some holes, tapped them. They're coming over, got legs on it. All right, got these little legs, right? So that when you flip it over, it elevates it off the ground. So if you got it in your mobile, you know, you were going to, if I didn't put those on there, you're going to have to just leave it like that. And it'll be upside down. But now, this thing is solid. You can grab it by the fans, flip it over, and now, if you look down there, you've got elevation at ground level. Let me get down there. There you go. You see that? You got, I don't know, a 1/2 inch, maybe a little bit more of airflow getting underneath there. So it's really solid, man. This is actually a good technique that I taught myself. I said, let me figure out a way to do it. And this is the technique I'm going to start using. You're the first one to get that. It's pretty solid, man. All right, man. Hey, all your lights work. Sideband delay works. This thing's ready to rock and roll, man. It's a Texas Star Sweet 16. Get the light on it a little bit. You got Texas Star Sweet 16. There you go. Real simple. Supposed to do 1,600 watts. Recommended drive no more than 200. And you'll be good to go. All right? All right, my friend. I'll get the bill out to you. And we'll talk and we'll link up. I'll get this cleaned up for you if I can. I'll try and wipe that down for you. But she's ready to go, man. She's running really good, man. Nice and cool. All right, my friend. We'll see you. Bye.